Congratulations.
Congrats, Rashmi.
Congratulations.
That's me.
Congratulations.
Ma'am, I will miss you.
Ma'am, I'm not going to miss you. I'm going to message you.
Congratulations, Shilpa.
Congratulations.
Sampada.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now you'll be able to help your friends more.
Yes. Myself only. Malar.
Congratulations, Malar.
Prasanna.
Congratulations.
Prasanna.
Jyoti.
Congratulations, Jyoti.
Congrats, Jyoti.
Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
Meenakshi, congratulations. Congrats, Kirti.
Congratulations, Aditi.
Congratulations, Aditi.
Congrats, Aditi.
Anvai.
Anvai, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Pooja. Congratulations, Ayushi. Congrats, Tia.
Nyanal, it's me.
It's Gyanal.
Congratulations,
Congrats,
Congratulations, Kalpana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congrats, Kavita. Congrats, Pavitra.
Pavitra.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Priyaji.
Congratulations, Riya.
Congrats, Riya.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Sri Lakshmi is good.
Congratulations,
Lakshmi, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Snehal.
Snehal, congratulations.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Actually, similarly to Lika ji, I won't miss you because I will be needing you very much. So I will be contacting you too much.
I'm a talkative person. Anyone can contact me anytime. Unless I'm in the session, I'll be always available. I love meeting all of you young people. Oof.
Same here.
And it made me feel as if I'm not the age I am. I won't reveal what age I am.
Even I have to share one thing about this class. I loved how everyone was ready to help each other and everyone was connecting. Like, I have to mention Nidhi ji and Himakshi. They both contacted me from personally for my very different issues, but they talked to me and they helped me about I don't know whether it will help, how much it will help, but that gesture, it was very warm and I felt very special and very great. Thank you so much, both of them.
Thank
So,
you.
okay, you can contact us anytime.
Yes, definitely.
Everyone.
Thank you very much to all. Thank you.
All the very, very best and congratulations, everyone, for this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anytime.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you were very, very helpful in teaching and very much subjects were very clear.
Thank you.
मैम मुझे एक चीज और बोलना जाते जाते
Please.
मैम आप बहुत स्वीट हो पर मुझे ना मतलब मैम बोल करके आई वॉज कीपिंग माई सेल्फ अंडर कंट्रोल। आप इतने मतलब मुझे छोटे छोटे से दिखते हो ना, ये लगता था कि अच्छा कितना सारा कुछ सीख रहे हैं हम लोग आपसे, बट यू वर टू पेशेंट। आप गुस्सा नहीं हुए टीचर के जैसा, दैट इज वेरी गुड।
39
You
plus.
were not angry with us anytime.
I'm almost 40 now, so I am not that choti also. But definitely, yes, Academy would love to give you, like, if you like, you can give your feedback or reviews whenever you guys like to. But having you all, definitely, on my behalf, I would definitely say thank you all.
Ma'am, I would like to say something. Thank you so much, ma'am.
As much as possible, I try to share my. Still, if you guys have any doubts related to subject, if you really want to genuinely practice, then definitely I'll be there. I say agar aap 1, 2, 3 all the time you will ask me, obviously I'll not. But trust me, genuinely, if you really want to help anyone, anytime, don't think about prenatal part. Any in your future, your personally, if you want anything, I am there. You can have that thing. You can ask me. You can approach me anytime.
రిప్లై ఇవ్వండి మ్యామ్. మ్యాథ్స్ పెట్టినప్పుడు రిప్లై ఇవ్వట్లేదా?
Ma'am, I want to say
Genuine,
something.
as I told, if they are
God.
genuine messages related to your clients or something, definitely, I think people have got my responses also, whoever have messaged me anytime. So don't
Every
bother
time.
about it. If you really have any such things, I'll definitely, don't worry about it.
Ma'am,
Aditi
can
wants
you
to say
hear me?
something.
Absolutely.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
Aditi.
So, ma'am, despite of thanking for teaching us, I also wanted to tell you that you were super brave. You were teaching us in the hospital, and it was like you were tense. Everything was happening, and it was pretty evident. Like you were in the hospital, nurses were coming, maybe, or someone was around, but still you covered everything so nicely. That is kind of inspiring for me. So, I'm going to take it as a takeaway. Main takeaway from this course will be for like this, like not only teaching part, but the way you handled the situation. So thank you so much. You are a great example for that.
Simple as I
Plus
told
one,
you,
plus
we can't do that when it comes to professional part. When it comes to something, when we sit in front of something, we need to justify that job, Madhiti. I could also take more leave. I could also keep a gap. I could also, but I need to understand that because like there are 25 students who are resting on me, and there are other 15 students who are resting and relying on me, and there is an academy who is relying on me. So it will be very much unjustified when I do that. If it is a genuine, yes, I took one day, then I'll be able to. But when it comes to professional front, and obviously apart from that, I enjoy this. I love it. It is a very good thing for me. And whatever age you guys are, till you guys leave this part, you all are my kids. So I treat everyone like that till 25. I may scold, I may be sweet, I may love you, I may do whatever you guys, whatever it is. But till this, yes, you are my kids. And later part, whatever it is, the relation, that is different. But it's my responsibility. I want to teach you the best what I have it. But
Ma'am,
rest,
but
Is
it
the
was
child all
very
right now, ma'am?
like we could see that you enjoy teaching that much, so it was automatically transferred to us that we enjoyed learning also.
I really love it actually. I
Not
love my
like
job.
you were just doing your duty and it was very distant, and some people do like very professionally, distantly, ekdam rationally.
We
So
were connected with you.
we felt very connected teaching. We were excited to join the class. We were waiting कि अरे कल क्या होगा, परसों क्या होगा, preparing for it, shopping for it also in my case.
Ma'am, is your child all right now?
That's good. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, all good, all good, all good. He
God
has to be. His mother is very strong, so obviously he has to
God
be.
bless, God bless.
Yes, he will be.
And ma'am,
Obviously,
you are very gentle. Like I must say, कि you are the one who bring the confidence in us. कि मतलब other curriculum में क्या होता है ना कि they side back, or they are very arrogant to answer to each and everyone. But whenever we are personally messaged, whenever we are asking something to you, you are very gentle and very polite. That is the way you are. So I liked it. I loved it.
thank you.
मैम हिमांशी ने बिल्कुल सही कहा अभी तक कि अभी तक मैंने कभी भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में इतना कनेक्टेड कभी फील नहीं किया और ना इतनी अच्छी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस देखी. कभी फील ही किया कि ऑनलाइन में ऐसा लगता ऑफलाइन क्लासेस चल रही है.
आ जाओ यहाँ पे.
मैं कीर्ति के लिए बोलूंगी, बहुत मस्त
मैम, I
बोल
would
रही है,
love to.
पर way
मैं
of
तो
talking.
बैंगलोर में ही हूँ.
I mean हैदराबाद में.
Oh,
Presently.
Stay connected, guys. We are here. मैम ने बताया था ये हमारी पढ़ाई का जोन है,
Ma'am,
but
which
we
class
can
am-
stay connected. Yeah.
I think we can continue in the group after this course also.
Now, if you want, if you have doubt, nahi to abhi bhi I'll tell you whatever notes you have written as per your convenience and as per your language. Go through it. एक दो दिन
Ma'am, I too had to go because I used to attend pregnancy camp in my institute. I'm connected with institute where I used to go as an intern teacher for the pregnant ladies. Pregnancy camp is organized there for 2 days. So I had to go these notes because ladies asked
It's
so
fine,
many
fine.
questions when they are.
Whatever is convenient for you.
Ma'am,
you
I
can
want
do.
to say something like yesterday or maybe day before yesterday, I sent you some document.
I saw
So
there
in
are
that you
corrections.
mentioned you had
Corrections.
some
We'll
corrections.
discuss
So
over it.
can you tell me
We'll
ki what are
discuss.
the
We'll
corrections?
discuss. We'll discuss. That's why I messaged you. I messaged you when you said we'll discuss over it.
Okay.
There are few corrections. And Mala, yeah, two are there, ma. 2 corrections are there. Those
And
I'll
if
talk to you
I-
and discuss.
Yeah, and if I make further notes about that, and if I send you, will you be able to
I'll do. I'll do.
anytime?
I'll do it. I'll do it. Don't worry. I saw it. Then once I saw it, like 2-3 pages, I said, yeah, corrections are there. I'll clarify. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, done.
ये आपका नंबर ग्रुप में नहीं दिख रहा है.
Thank you very much.
I'll wind up
Thank
here.
you so
Everyone,
much,
thank you so much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everyone is
Bye.
बात करेंगे सब है ना.
Bye bye.